So to make the drum samples, what I do is I use the drum sampler. So if you're in, some other mode, just get into the drum mode. And then in the upper right-hand corner is the microphone. That's your input. So if you hold the shift key down along with the microphone input, you will get in this view here your different inputs. So either the line in, the radio, or whatever's currently being played back by the OP-1. So like if you have the tape player running, you can actually sample from your own recording. So let's just tune it to a radio station. So we've got something recording here, or playing rather. And right now on screen it shows you press a key to sample. You do have a threshold indicator on here, that white bar, which is controlled by the white knob. Colors are important here, so anything in green is controlled by the green knob, anything in blue is controlled by the blue knob, red is controlled by the red knob, etc. So we're going to set this threshold something low so that it's not going to wait for any kind of peak input. It's just going to record right away. So I'll just set it kind of there. And at this point, we're just going to press a key. And the longer you hold it down, the longer it will record. If you hold it down completely to the end, it will stop recording once its buffer is complete, and you'll stop hearing whatever your input was. So right now you can hear that the radio is off, and we are going to go back into our drum mode. And right now you will hear that radio station. On each of these keys, it's split up automatically. So if you wanted this first sample to be adjusted, your starting point is the beginning of the recording, and the end point is controlled by the white knob here. So one thing I do is when I'm chopping it up, I will control, using the red knob, the length of the playback. So if we turn it to the right, it will play to the end. If we turn it to the right again, it will loop. So bringing it back here to the white knob to control the end point. I'm going to just turn up the volume here. If you just wanted her to say quote, you could just narrow it down to there. And then on the next key, it does go to the black key. It goes all the way up the keyboard. If you want just maybe, there you go. Now, if you want to change the pitch, control it with the blue knob. So the sample that you heard in that recording, I might have recorded over it. In either case, that's how I cut it up. Hopefully that answers your question.